Hey people, in this video I'm just showing you how to warm your baby's food without using a microwave. Yes, I think if you've done your research, we all know microwave is not so safe for anyone, not even an adult. Then how about a child? So I always have these dishes. I got them from Amazon. I always keep my baby's food in these containers, so when I'm warming I just put water in a pan and then put these smaller containers inside the pan when there is water, and then put it on the stove and then warm it. As you can see, this is how it is, and this is my baby's food when it's ready. The next time I'll show you a video how I make this food. Thank you.